Dear students, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about one problem from development of surfaces. Draw the development of the lower portion of a cylinder of diameter 50 mm and axis length 80 mm when sectioned by a plane inclined at 45 degree to HP and perpendicular to B and bisecting the axis. So, draw the top and front view of the cylinder first. Base resting on HP. Draw the top and front view first. Draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. Draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. And then draw the top and front view of the cylinder. Cylinder of diameter 50 mm, so 25 radius. Draw the top view first. 25 radius. Using the measurement, draw the 50 mm diameter of cylinder top. Okay. Now draw the generators. Approximately 8 generators divided into. Okay. Draw at the inclination 45 degree inclination. Draw another one generator. So totally 8 generators. Horizontal 2 generators and 45 degree and vertical 1 generator. Generator is an imaginary line joining the bottom base circumference and top base circumference of the cylinder. Now give the name to the generators. And give the name to the bottom base of generators. The top base generators, top base points of generators are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and bottom base points of generator P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Now project the front view from the top view. Project the front view from the top. Using 2H pencil, draw the extension line, projection line. By using 2H pencil. Now project the all generators. Okay. Now draw the front view. Our axis height equal to 80 mm. So extend up to 80 mm the axis height. Extend up to 80 mm. Now complete the front view. Complete the front view. Okay, complete the front view. Now give the name to the generators in front view. A dash, P dash. Always represent small letter with dash in front view. So B dash of H dash. B dash of H dash. Bottom Q dash of W dash. C dash of G dash. G dash in front view. And R dash of B dash. D dash of F dash. And E dash of S dash of U dash. E dash of T dash. Okay. Now the top and front view over. Now draw the cutting plane position. The section by a plane inclined at 45 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP and bisecting the axis. Bisecting means midpoint of the axis line. 40 mm from the base, mark the draw a horizontal line using 2H pencil. 40 mm from the base. Draw a horizontal. Now fix the protractor here. Take 45 degree inclination. Draw the section plane or cutting plane. Okay. The inclination of the cutting plane equal to 45 degree. 45 degree equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now mark the dimensions, all the dimensions. Dia 50 mm. Axis height 80 mm. And cutting plane position 40 mm from the base. So 40 mm from the base and 80 mm axis height. Okay. 40 mm from the base and 80 mm as axis height. Now, how to draw the development? This cylinder development drawn by using parallel line method. What is parallel line method? The length of the two parallel lines, stretch out line equal to circumference, base circumference of the cylinder. So the circumference, base circumference equal to of the cylinder equal to pi into d. Pi into d value 50. Diameter 50. So pi into 50. The value approximately equal to 157 mm. 157 mm. So the base circumference equal to 157 mm. So draw the two lines, stretch out lines equal to, leave some gap in between the front view and development and draw the two stretch out lines from the base. Same line of action, same line, draw first line, base line. The length of the line equal to 157 mm. 157 mm. Okay. Take correct measurement by using scale. Take 157 mm. And then another one stretch out line from the top base. From the top base, draw another one stretch out line. The length of the line equal to 157. So now automatically the distance between the two stretch out line equal to axis length. Okay. The two stretch out line length equal to in between the Distance between the two stretch out line equal to axis length. Now complete the stretch out line. Right. Now draw the generators. How to draw the generators on this, on that? 157 divided by 8, because 8 generators available. 157 divided by 8. Approximately 19 mm. Divided into 8 equal parts. Divided into 8 equal parts. Draw the generators. Divided into 8 equal parts. Each division equal to approximately 19 mm. Now give the name to the all generators. Give the name to the all generators. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, and end point also the same point. A. Similarly, the bottom PQRS. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and P. Now mark the cutting points. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash of 6 dash. Because 0.4 for D of S, 0.6 for F of U, and 3 dash of 7 dash, and 2 dash of 8 dash. Similarly, in the top view, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally there are 8 cutting points. Now draw horizontal line. Draw the horizontal line from the all the cutting points to the development of surfaces. Draw horizontal line. First from point 1 dash, draw horizontal line. Point 1 on A of P. So mark the point 1 on A of P. Draw horizontal line using 2H pencil. Mark the point 1 on A of P. Point 1 on A of P. So 1, 1. Next, draw horizontal line from 2 dash of 8 dash. 2 dash of 8 dash. Draw horizontal line from 2 dash of 8 dash. Point 2 on B of Q and 8 on H of W. 8 on H of W. Point 2 on B of Q. B of Q. And 8 on H of W. Okay. Point 8 on H of W. it on each other. And then next draw horizontal line from 3 dash of 7 dash. Using 2H pencil, draw horizontal line from 3 dash of 7 dash to development. Mark all cutting points. 3.3 on C of R. 0.3 on C of R. 0.3 on C of R. And 0.7 on G of E. 0.7 on G of E. So mark the point 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Next, draw horizontal line from 4 dash of 6 dash. Draw horizontal line from 4 dash of 6 dash. So 0.4 on D of S. 0.4 on D of S. And 0.6 on F of U. 0.6 on F of U. Now draw horizontal line from 5 dash. Draw horizontal line from 5 dash. The 0.5 on E of T. So extend up to E of T. Yeah. So the cutting point on E of T is 5. Now join all the points by a smooth curve. Join all the points by a smooth curve. Join all points by a smooth curve. Okay, like small variation in there because I am drawing all the drawing by freehand sketching only, so that only small variation is there. While using true dimension, it will clear. Okay. Now the required portion. This is our required portion. Using H pencil, dot the required portion. This is our required portion. This is our required portion. The top portion removed, the remaining portion is our required portion. Now mark the dimensions. This is equal to 157. Now here draw the development of lower portion of the cylinder. Lower portion of the cylinder. So you have to draw the base circle also. You have to draw the base circle also. So erase this dimension. Mark this dimension in the top base. Here draw the lower portion. Lateral surface means this is enough. But the question is draw the development of lower portion of the cylinder. After cutting, the top portion removed, the remaining portion is the lower portion. So in lower portion including the base circle. So how to draw the base? Take any one point in between P, initial and starting point. Take any one point. Draw a vertical line. We will take Q because space not available here. So Q. From Q draw a vertical line. Using 2H pencil, draw a vertical line. Right? Using 2H pencil, draw a vertical line. Now, our base radius, 25 mm as radius, draw the, by using compass, this point as center, Q as center, 25 mm as radius, draw this arc. Now, this arc cutting point as center, Q as radius, point Q as radius, draw the circle. Okay, draw the base circle. Because draw the development of lower portion of the cylinder, not lateral surface. Lateral surface means no need to draw the bottom base. But the question is draw the development of lower portion of the cylinder. So we have to draw the base circle. Okay. Now mark the dimension in the top base. 157 at the top base. Okay, 157. Check whether all the dimensions are marked. Given dimension diameter 50, bisecting the axis 80 mm length, axis length, base circumference 157. That's all. Dear students, if you need doubt in this diagram, share your comments on the comment box of the channel. Thank you.